for everybody following this up, what kind of innovation would you see in order to increase, as I said, process understanding in this way? What kind of innovations you want to see? Andreas, you said, yeah, one-stop shop platform for all kind of data thing is probably one thing. But now, what kind of innovation, and probably to get this a little bit into the context, do you see that, oh, we are always in the regulatory environment and we are, let's say, bound by all this highly regulated industry? Is it an excuse for our innovation which we seek?
Is it me?
Start, yeah.
Okay. No, because of course we are in a very regulated environment, but my experience is there's always a very good dialogue between the regulatory body and the developing company. And all we get is basically guidance, right? And if we make a strong case that we want to do it in a different way, and we have the body of data and also already the experience to show it, then of course we can shape this regulatory environment. So I don't think it's cast in stone.
What kind of innovation you would wish to have here? What would you need in order to robustify your tech transfer process, accelerate the work with the CMOs, if you would have a wish list?
Well, my wish list, reaching for the stars, I would like to have a real-time batch release. This would be really great. But this is just for us too far out at the moment. But I think combination of all the technologies and possibilities we heard today, for instance, from René, like this electronic batch records plus software solutions could lead to this ultimate goal to provide a real-time batch release.